Hey guys, Rudy here with Alamo Airguns, or from Alamo Airguns. I just wanted to do a quick video, kind of an update as to what's going on with us, because the new year's coming and some things are changing. We're going to go back to, I know we've had some goofy hours lately, opening at noon and random stuff like that, so we're going to get a little bit more consistent, so we're going back to kind of our old hours, which is great. We're still going to be closed Sunday, Monday. But Thursdays will be special days. They will be by appointment only. So the reason I'm doing that is because I'm getting into a lot of design stuff and some new things that Alamo Airguns will start to offer. So I'm kind of excited about that. But I do need a full day where I do not get any interruptions, and that's what Thursday will be. Unless we have an appointment, then we'll work with the appointments on a case-by-case basis. I think I can set it up on the website to where we can have appointment requests and stuff like that, so we'll have all that good stuff. So yeah, we'll kind of get back to some normal hours, but the reason we're also doing that is because I'm losing my help. So Vince, who's been with us for a good year and a half, almost 2 years now, he will be venturing off on his own, and so it's just going to be me again here at the shop, manning the shop, which is fine. It's not a big deal, but so yeah, in order for us to continue expanding our multitude of options and stuff like that, I do need a full day of focus on that. So Thursdays will be via that, with appointment onlys in advance, of course. So the other thing is, yes, like some of the things that I'm going to be doing are, as far as the design work, and that we've already kind of alluded to on the social medias, is our quick detach system. So yeah, it is a tri-lug system. It is I mean, it's been around, everybody has this, firearm industry has this. So but yeah, this is a 3D print. This is a resin. It's rather tough. It's I mean, it's tougher than you think, but we will be offering the incentive that if you do break it, we'll replace it. Just pay for the shipping, so we can either send it in like a cheap envelope and just send it off to you. But being that this is like a low impact area, I mean, you know, these are not really designed for high strength or in an area where high strength is needed, so it should be fine. But I think I've gotten to the point where I'm pretty satisfied with the design. We did have to kind of tweak it here and there, and so I finally got it to the point where I'm happy with it. Here's a clearer example. So you'll see that this is a gray, so it's a little bit easier to see. But you'll see there's the inserts there, and so I've marked it to where you know where the open spaces are, so you'll line up those tri-lugs to the spaces, and you'll see right here got a little bit of play, but as soon as you cinch down on it, it's probably hard to see on the video, but there is no more play. So we went ahead and got it so that when you twist down on it, it cinches down and it pulls it towards the surface here, and really gets it nice and locked in place. The other cool thing is that because of that feature, you really aren't going to unscrew this guy. I think my first design, because it didn't really cinch down, for some reason the nose always wanted to come with the adapter as you were trying to go lefty-loosey, you know, to pull it out. So now we've got it to where, yeah, it's more of a seamless connection and easy to use. So for you guys that have like an FX 700mm barrel, no, it doesn't fit in your case with the moderator, so now you can just easily slap this guy on, and you're quick, you know, you're quick to the action. You can get back to shooting real quick and then put it away so much more easier. So I'm excited about that. We do have them in the sizes of the Koi Tanto, the FX, and the Sumo, what's the other one? It's not Ronin, it's I forget. Anyways, you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, for the Sumo, this is that fitment. And so you can use our handy dandy little tool to get that in there. If you got some that are really locked up, it's really hard to get off, and you don't want to get a tool on that, you can use this guy. Again, it's resin, so it's not going to scuff up your metal. Twist it, and there you go. I had one that actually was so hard that even these little knuckles dug into my hand and it actually hurt. So I was like, I was surprised at how locked down that thing was. But yeah, once you got this thing open, you'll get the right size here for the Koi the Tanto. screw that guy in. This is a little tricky here. Once you got it kind of locked in, any basically adapter will work. And so there you go. So yeah, pretty excited about this. This is on the website now. I just actually finished putting it in the system, so it will be on the website. You can order them. I think I've got them pretty cheap, considering you're gonna get 3 sets, all 3 sets for like 19 bucks plus shipping. So again, we'll replace it if you have any problems or issues with that. So so yeah, as far as the design work, there's also something else that I'm doing here in the shop that I'm pretty excited about. So we got some new machinery and some stuff that I can do for. We'll see. I'll show you later. I'll show you later. Don't worry about it. But more announcements to come, guys. This is on the website, so you can check that out. But so yeah, new hours, whole bunch of design stuff coming. I'm pretty excited about it. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, reach out to us. Again, Alamo Airguns. Visit our website. We are the only airgun business in the industry that will accept crypto. So yes, we do accept Bitcoin, Ethereum. Oddly enough, we had an order the other day that came in without any instruction. The guy already sent his payment off, and all of a sudden I just got an alert on the wallet that a payment was made. Checked our order system, and now, because crypto and conventional business, or conventional merchant accounts don't link, you do need to let us know that you made a purchase so that we can link the transaction to your purchase and make sure that everything's taken care of for you. Otherwise, it actually took us a day to actually realize that transfer was for that particular order that was processed online. But anyways, it's kind of nice to see that people are out there already using their crypto as payment without any instruction. So that was exciting. I think it was a guy in another state somewhere. But anyways, yeah, guys, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Again, alamoairguns.com, and we'll be happy to help. So look forward to seeing more, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.